Apple TV plays sound but the screen stays completely black. No picture, no menu, nothing to click, just audio during video playback. This video shows you how to fix the Apple TV black screen with sound using safe, step-by-step methods that work even when the menu is not accessible. We'll start with a complete power cycle, because this fixes many black screen issues. Turn off your TV first, then unplug the TV power cable from the wall. After that, unplug the Apple TV power cable as well. Leave both unplugged for 1 to 2 minutes. When the time is up, plug the TV power cable back in first, then plug the Apple TV power cable back in. Turn the TV on and check if the video comes back on the screen. If the screen is still black, the next thing to try is resetting the HDMI connection between the TV and Apple TV. Unplug the TV power cable and unplug the Apple TV power cable again. Now remove the HDMI cable from both the TV and the Apple TV. Leave everything unplugged for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, plug the TV power cable back in first, then plug the Apple TV power cable back in. Wait about 30 seconds, reconnect the HDMI cable, turn the TV on, and test the video playback. If that doesn't help, let's force restart the Apple TV using the remote, and this does not require access to the menu. Take the Apple TV remote and press and hold the menu button and the home button at the same time. Keep holding them until the light on the Apple TV starts blinking. Once it starts blinking, release the buttons and wait for the Apple TV to restart. Then check if the picture returns. Another fix you can try is resetting the display output, which helps when the screen resolution is causing the issue. Press and hold the menu button and the volume down button together for 6 to 10 seconds. The screen may go black and then come back on. This forces the Apple TV to cycle the display resolution. Once it comes back, check again to see if the video is showing. If the picture is still missing, changing the HDMI port on the TV is the next thing to check. Unplug the HDMI cable from the current HDMI port and plug it into a different HDMI port on your TV. Use your TV remote to switch the input to the new HDMI port, then test the video playback again. If switching the HDMI port does not fix it, the problem could be the HDMI cable itself. Try connecting a different HDMI cable, preferably a high-speed or 4K compatible one. After replacing the cable, turn everything back on and check if the video now appears with the sound. Finally, if the screen is still black, check the HDMI input settings on your TV, since this can be done even when the Apple TV screen is not visible. Use your TV remote to open the TV settings. Go to the HDMI input where the Apple TV is connected and enable enhanced HDMI or full UHD color. If there is an option to change HDMI mode and it is set to auto, switch it to a manual setting. Exit the settings and test the video again. That's it for this video on fixing the Apple TV black screen with sound issue when the menu isn't accessible. I hope these step-by-step fixes helped you get the picture back on your screen. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. If one of these steps worked for you, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.